Hello, fellow explorers and adventure seekers. Get ready, because today we are embarking on an absolutely exhilarating journey through the hidden gems of southern Hungary. Trust me, this is an adventure you don't want to miss. This region is truly one of Europe's best-kept secrets, lesser known but utterly captivating. It offers a completely different vibe compared to the bustling capital of Budapest. We're talking about venturing far beyond the usual tourist trails here. Our core mission is to showcase the raw, untamed beauty that defines this incredible part of the world. We're diving deep into the heart of authentic Hungarian culture, ready to uncover its vibrant traditions. Prepare to be blown away by some truly breathtaking landscapes you might not even know existed. Get ready for an epic kickoff to our adventure. We're starting with a vibrant montage that's going to give you just a taste of the incredible experiences heading your way. This journey is packed with diverse adventures, from serene moments to heart-pumping excitement. You'll get fleeting glimpses of majestic rolling hills, stretching out as far as the eye can see. Imagine shimmering lakes, sparkling under the Hungarian sun, just begging to be explored. We're also passing through the most charming villages, each with its own unique story to tell. What truly stands out about this region is its untamed nature. It's a place where wild beauty thrives, untouched by mass tourism. We're departing from typical tourist trails, ready for something truly special. This is your invitation to a deeper immersion into local life, connecting with the heart and soul of Hungary. You'll feel the authenticity in every interaction, every taste, and every landscape. Get ready to experience Hungary like never before. Our first major stop is the magnificent Lake Balaton, famously known as the largest lake in Central Europe. It's an absolutely stunning body of water, and trust me, it lives up to its reputation. The crystal-clear waters here are simply mesmerizing, inviting you to dive right in. There are endless opportunities for water sports, whether you're into paddleboarding, windsurfing, or just a refreshing swim. If relaxation is more your style, sunbathing on its shores is pure bliss. It's the perfect place to soak up some rays and unwind. For a truly magical experience, you absolutely have to take one of the leisurely boat trips. Imagine cruising across the expansive lake, with gentle breezes and incredible views all around. It's an unforgettable way to appreciate the sheer scale and beauty of Balaton. This lake is not just a body of water, it's a vibrant hub of activity and natural splendor. Every moment here feels like a postcard coming to life. Get ready to make some incredible memories on and around Lake Balaton. But the adventure doesn't stop at the lake, we're just getting started. Southern Hungary is home to incredible national parks and nature reserves, vast expanses waiting to be explored. These natural sanctuaries are absolutely brimming with life and stunning scenery. Prepare for some incredible hiking through lush, emerald forests, where every step feels like a discovery. The air is fresh, the sounds are natural, and the tranquility is unparalleled. Keep your eyes peeled, because you might just encounter some diverse wildlife in their natural habitat. From soaring birds to shy deer, these parks are a haven for nature lovers. We'll be capturing panoramic views from various scenic overlooks, offering breathtaking vistas that stretch for miles. Each viewpoint offers a new perspective on this stunning region. The opportunities for outdoor activities are endless and exhilarating. Picture yourself cycling along picturesque paths, feeling the wind in your hair as you explore charming landscapes. Kayaking on serene rivers or smaller lakes offers a peaceful yet adventurous way to connect with nature. And for a truly unique experience, horseback riding through the countryside is simply magical. It's an authentic way to see the beauty of Hungary. Now, let's dive headfirst into the heart of Hungarian culture. Our journey takes us on enriching visits to traditional villages, where history truly comes alive. Each village offers a unique glimpse into the country's rich heritage and enduring traditions. Prepare for incredibly warm interactions with the friendly locals. Their hospitality is legendary, and you'll quickly feel right at home. We'll be sharing smiles, stories, and perhaps even a few laughs, creating genuine connections. And of course, no trip to Hungary is complete without a deep dive into its utterly delicious culinary experience. We're going to be sampling authentic Hungarian cuisine, starting with the iconic goulash, a hearty, flavorful stew that warms the soul. Get ready for an explosion of taste. But save room, because the sweet pastries here are absolutely divine, a true treat for your taste buds. From intricate strudels to delicate cakes, every bite is a delight. Beyond the food, we'll discover incredible local crafts, showcasing generations of artistic skill. You'll hear the soul-stirring melodies of traditional music, a sound that speaks volumes about the Hungarian spirit. And history buffs, get ready to explore fascinating historical sites that tell tales of ancient times and proud heritage. This cultural immersion is going to be truly unforgettable.